Alright guys, I was just driving and noticed, look, guess what's on? Freaking check engine light. I just made a video saying Red's been the best she's ever been.
You jinxed it.
And you got a check engine light. Alright guys, so I'm out and about driving right now, and honestly, the truck is working fine. The check engine light is still on this morning. I was thinking maybe it will reset itself. Sometimes things glitch out like that. But it's not a flashing check light, it's not a wrench, it's just a solid check engine light. So we'll see, we gotta get it diagnosed and see what the code is all about. But I'm not feeling any weirdness going on with the truck, so hopefully it's something small. Again, it's the EcoBoost engine. We all know, you know, I'm almost at 100,000 miles, so you know things start happening, man. That's part of owning a car, and you know that's why some people lease, they never buy, because you either paying for a car note, you're gonna be paying for maintenance. Now I get it, you know, car note is monthly. If you get a car that fits right, you don't be paying maintenance every month. It may be like 6 or 7 months, it may be a year you have no issues. So I get it, it balances out. But yeah, we'll see what's going on, man. You know, the old EcoBoost, bro, you know, they have troubles. We all know that. Or maybe like a sensor or something that's bad that needs to be replaced. You know, something that along that line. Like if I get up on it right here, this will be my first time doing it. So if something happens, y'all gonna see it. If I get up on it, though, she's running fine. Like, she runs fine. So really curious what that is. Yeah, I'll keep y'all posted. What's up, guys? I'm not sure where that last clip left off for you all, man, but I did get a check engine light, guys. Then I think literally like 2 days later, it just went away on its own. So I literally went to the store, cut the truck off, came back out, was about to leave, and check engine light was gone. You know, I guess it's cool. I don't know. So actually, this company reached out to me called TopScan or Top Guru is the name of the app, I believe. Let me check the app really quick. Yeah, Top Guru. So there's literally the same day this happened. They reached out to me and said, hey, we make an OBD port scanner so you can run diagnostics on your vehicle. Literally the same day. So I'm like, man, that is perfect. Like, it literally was perfect timing. I'm like, yeah, because I actually just got a check engine light and I don't know what's going on. But like I said, the check engine light is now gone. But anyway, they sent me over the device. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do, try it out today. Here's the device right here. I already opened it. You can see it's called TopScan right there on the device. It's pretty heavy, well made. It's nice. It's nice. So I already kind of read through the instructions and all that. So you want to take this and plug it to your OBD port. So that's what we're going to do first, which is down here. Let me see if I can find it really quick. There we go. Boom. So you get a red light like that. It's blue. So it means connected to Bluetooth. I did go ahead and take the liberty, guys, to go ahead and connect it to my phone. According to the instructions here, first thing you have to do is download your car manual. So I already got the forward one downloaded right here. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to update the firmware. Let's see if there's an update. There's an update. Okay, let me do that first. I forgot to do this first. So let me run this update really quick. Okay, so it is done. It just beat for me. Now let's run a diagnostic report. Diagnostics, forward. There we go. Auto selection. I'm just gonna do auto. Then it says make sure the switch is on. Go take our key here. Turn it to the on position. There we go. Yes, I did get my 12 watts back on, guys. So the tire sensors are not synced once again. I hate that. Hit okay. I'm gonna hit read the VIN because I don't want to enter it manually. It brings up everything about the truck, man. Basically everything right there, as y'all can see. Here you can do an auto scan, you can do a control unit, you can do vehicle profile. I'm just gonna do auto scan, and basically it's gonna auto scan all these different things right here with the truck. So it is scanning, as you can see there, and I already got some faults on the powertrain control module and the anti-lock and braking system fault and the body control module fault. Now I'm curious how much this has to do with my lift kit. You know, it's quite a few things it has to scan, as y'all can see here. So it's gonna take a little second. Okay guys, it is done. On the summary here, it tells you, it says 19 systems were, I don't know why it's not focusing for y'all. 19 systems were scanned. 6 of them were detected with DTCs. It says altogether 15 DTCs were found. For safe driving, please read the report carefully, perform related repair in a timely manner, is what it says. So 2 faults on the powertrain, 1 fault on the anti-braking system, anti-lock braking, 4 on the body control module. I'm wondering if that's with my lift kit, because there's another 4 on the control interface modules. Accessory protocol module, I'm not sure what that is. Power steering module fault, the active grille shutter. So when they put in my new radiator that I got, the CV Fabrication Titan 2, they did take off the active shutter. So I know that's gone. Let's go ahead and save this report. Saving. I just clicked on powertrain module 1, read trouble code. The vehicle must be prepared for self-test instructions. Do not activate vehicle switches during test. Yes. Reading fault code. Okay, so now it's reading those codes. So the active grille shutter stuck in open position, which I do know about. So, okay. Pretty neat. So here's the anti-locking braking system. Let's click that one. Shoot. Sorry. Yes, here we go. Let's read trouble code. Oh, it's reading. Lost communication with instrument cluster. I don't know what that means. Okay. Body control module. Let's look at this one and see what it means. Read trouble code. Oh, it's doing that whole thing again. Okay. So it says driver's door jar switch. I just opened the door. Park blade apply switch. I do have my parking brake on. Headlight off. Tire pressure sensors. Okay. So that's pretty normal. Let's look at this one. The FCIM front control interface module. Let's see. Yes, it's on. Lost communication with instrument cluster. Lost communication with accessory protocol. I don't know what none of this means. Let's see if we click something. Failure status not current. Fault previously detected not current. Not sure what that means. So I'm not sure what some of this stuff means. I'll be real with y'all guys. But itself, for the tool itself, if you are into this stuff and you know what you're doing and know what you're looking at, this is very helpful. And it's right here on your freaking phone, bro. Vision system camera. I don't have a camera, so I don't know what that is. So I don't see anything with the locking with my check engine light or anything. But also, if I wanted to, I can erase these codes. So if I really wanted to, I can erase this trouble code, which I'm not going to do. It's the APIM. Oh, I do remember the APIM. That's my camera. I do got a camera. Now I know what it's talking about. Y'all know my backup camera doesn't work, guys. And so I remember my guy, Alex, saying his APIM. Was APIM? No, that's not. No, that was something else with his, no, was that with his camera? I think the APIM was with his backup camera. So my backup camera doesn't work. I keep saying I don't have a camera. Duh, yes, I do got a backup camera. That's what it's reading. Oh, okay. Bear with me, guys. This is new. So, yes, my camera system is not working. General electrical failure. Okay. Now I know. Man, this is cool, guys. I'm not a mechanic to know exactly what's going on with all this stuff here, but this is pretty cool. If you want more information, I have placed the details in the description below. Again, this is called TopScan by Top Gurus, the app. So it's all Bluetooth, all on your phone. If you want one, guys, the details will be in the description below. I believe I should have a code for y'all to get 10% off, but you got to use it fast. I think it's only good for a week. I was going to clear some codes. I'm not, but for me personally, it seems like the only thing that's coming up is my backup camera, the APIM system, which some people did tell me that. And I know my sensors are out and I know my backup camera not working. So it's reading correctly. That's what's going on with my truck in particular. And shout out to TopScan for sending this out to me. This is a great product. Like, it's super cool. You can email yourself the reports. You can share the report. So let's say if you run this, you want to share it with a mechanic or a friend or whatever else you want to do. I think this will be helpful to you. Definitely check it out, bro. But that's all I got. It's your boy Q. I'll catch y'all next, baby. Peace.